Hey y'all, so I got my second pantry box today and I'm gonna open it. It's right here on the floor. It's big, and I should have shown it to you, but I didn't, and I'm not going to because I already got my phone grab on it. I don't feel like moving it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. What? I should be showing y'all. Hold on. Alright, so here. I don't know what I thought I was gonna do. Like, I didn't see them chips. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Ooh, look at the presentation. Okay. Alright. So where should we start? Well, I forgot about all this stuff. I got all this stuff. My juices! Oh, dang, I got 3 bags of chips. Lord, the girl been hungry. Okay. Let me go put these in the thing. What's that? What is this? Oh, it's the salsa. Okay, wait a minute, y'all. Hold on. Okay. So, I got this rice pilaf because it says wild mushroom and herb. I be liking mushrooms. I like mushrooms, so I don't know. I just wanted to get this. I just be liking to try stuff. This was $1 and something. And then I got this 4-can Del Monte corn. Whole, did I say whole can? Whole 4-can whole kernel corn. They're non-GMO and it only contains water, corn, and sea salt. I looked for this in the store, like not the 4-pack, but you know, the single. I looked for it and I didn't see this corn in the store, and this is what I really wanted, so I just got the Walmart brand. I got 2 of these. One of them is my sister's. She wanted one. Okay. Alright. And then I got these cotton squares because I be using toner. And I was like, get some stuff to do your toner with. So I got these. I think these were $1.80 something. And they're just cotton squares. There's 160 in here. And then I got this. Ooh, I got this Method shower cleaner spray. Shower. Yeah. Eucalyptus mint. I'm gonna spray it. It says cleans without having to rinse with plant-based cleaning power. Really? I thought maybe I could put this. I got this wondering if I could spray it on my shower curtain and clean the shower curtain with it, so I won't have to buy another shower curtain with it. So I have the vinyl one. I'm gonna spray it and see. I'm gonna tell y'all if it smells like eucalyptus and mint. Oh. I don't know where to spray it. It smells good. It does smell good. So it probably does smell like eucalyptus and mint. It does smell like mint, for sure. You probably could spray that for insects. Y'all live in the country and we be having insects. So here's this Jackie's Kitchen ginger 1.5 ounce. This was 72 cents, 70 something cents, and I got 2 because I use ginger every single day, maybe twice a day depending on what I'm cooking, but I always use this in my tea. I always have tea in the morning, like instead of breakfast. Like tea be my breakfast, so I do green tea with lemon juice, fresh lemon juice out of the lemon, not out of that green bottle with the word lemon written in yellow, and not out of that yellow plastic lemon. I squeeze it out of a real lemon, and ginger powder in it, and sugar, of course, because the lemon and ginger will bite you back if you don't. And I also put turmeric in it because I think turmeric is good for inflammation. I got this 6-pack of Dole pineapple juice because I really like pineapple juice. They came out of the thing. And also pineapple juice be giving me energy. This is 6 ounce. I wonder if did I pay too much for this? This is 6 ounces? Did I think it was 10? I am terrible at this. So I got these. I love it. I'm gonna put one in the refrigerator so I can drink it in a few minutes, and I'll have that instead of my juice. I didn't have juice instead of my tea. I got 2 cans of organic refried beans. This is the Rosarita brand. It may contain soy. It may contain soy. Like what? Y'all might have some soybeans in here. Certified vegan. Oh my gosh. Certified. I'm not editing. I'm gonna let y'all hear all the mistakes. Certified vegan. Wait a minute. There you go. Non-BPA liner. USDA organic. These are pinto beans. I did not know that refried beans were pinto beans. I got 2 of these. I think they were $1.79 each. I plan to make nachos. So those, here's the salsa. I got this Tostitos mild chunky salsa. Y'all already know about this. Got that. This is a 15.5 ounce. I got that. That may or may not be vegan. I'm not gonna stress about it. I got some this is cranberry and cherry. That's cool. Oh, this might be good. I need to eat cherries to help me sleep, and I couldn't get the cherry juice, and so I guess that's why I got the cranberry cherry. I really like juice. I really like cranberry juice. I got that. That was for like $2.48. I think that's probably how much that was. And then so I got sesame blue corn chips. It made with organic blue corn. There's sesame seeds on them and sea salt, canola and or safflower and or sunflower oil. I like safflower and sunflower oil. Did y'all see? Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to do nachos. I'm going to do the chips, the refried beans, the salsa, probably the corn. I have a lettuce in the refrigerator, and I have some cheese sauce that came with the Daya cheesy mac. I'm gonna do that. I'll probably show y'all since I'm talking about it. I'll probably do a whole nother video for it. And then I got these Terra sweet potato chips. This is the kosher. This is 6 ounce. I got these. Your girl was hungry when she was making her order. I got these, and I mean, they're sweet potato chips, and it's just sweet potato, canola, safflower, sunflower oil, and sea salt. So, and then I got the Wavy Lays reduced fat. I didn't notice what I got. It didn't say that on the thing. On the picture. They got it with French onion dip. Your girl is making French onion dip with the coconut cream. You already know. It's going to be on my Instagram. And this is potatoes, sunflower, corn, canola, and salt. I got snacks on snacks on snacks. But this right here finna be a meal. With the salsa, the corn. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna make. That's what I'm preparing for the night. That's what I'm about to have. Yeah, I showed y'all everything. And so all of this stuff was, so my whole order I think came to, it was probably $37. It was like right at 36 and then the tax made it there. It was like $37. So I got all that stuff for $37. I mean, I don't know. I feel like this food gonna be fast moving, but I'm hungry right now. So, and I still have from my other pantry box that y'all saw. I guess last week. It's that I think that video is gonna be today. Today's Monday. I think I'm gonna upload that last pantry unboxing today. Is it that? No. No, y'all will see that one next week, which will be the 25th, and then June like 2nd or whatever. Y'all will see the first pantry box. No. I mean, the 25th y'all will see. Y'all will see that one. And then like June 2nd y'all will see this one. So it's probably June 2nd right now. But the Brita picture is the one that I'm uploading today. That's not even true. I'm uploading today the Pacifica review. I don't know. Y'all see this in a couple of weeks. Y'all see this in a couple of weeks. So yeah, all this stuff was like $37. Like when I do my pantry order, I just try to get $35. I try to get $35. Get stuff you gonna need, you gonna use, that you like, you need. I just be trying to stick to the necessities. I know that, you know, I got 3 bags of chips. But the tortilla chips though, that's a meal. Hashtag it's a meal. You understand me? So that's a meal. Juice. I drink some juice. When I got that 3-liter cranberry juice, it took me a while to drink that. Like usually if I get like a half a gallon of juice, I drink that in like 3 days. It took me like at least 2 weeks to drink that 3-gallon or 3-liter of cranberry juice. So yeah. So that's that. That's that. Yeah, I'll probably end up showing you the nachos on my Instagram. I don't be feeling like making a whole YouTube video for this. I did a video for a cooking video, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But I'll probably do the nachos on my Instagram. So if you want to see the nachos, go to my Instagram and look back probably a couple weeks. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all want to shop on Amazon and get any of this stuff, I'll leave my Amazon link in the description, and I would appreciate it if y'all will use it. And yeah, if you want to see updates on anything that I have, I'll do it on Instagram, and also sometimes I might do update videos on here, but like food, I would just put food be going on my Instagram. So thank y'all so much, and I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you to all of my new subscribers, and please continue to watch. I'm going to leave some links for some of my other videos because YouTube has made it kind of difficult for me to edit my videos on mobile, like put up the end screen to put the videos up. So click on the video that's in the description. Thank y'all so much for coming back, and please come back again. Bye y'all.